Let's find out how to use an automatic defibrillator, AED. Please follow the instructions later. To secure the patient's airway, raise your head with both hands and make sure that you are breathing. I'm not breathing. Call 119. The cell phone is on the left. Press the 109. Please find an AED box nearby and move it. Please bring the box near the fallen person. Press the power button on the AED box to operate the machine. Loosen the shirt of the fallen person and attach 2 patches to the top of the right chest and next to the left chest, respectively. Then press the defibrillation button to apply an electric shock. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation should be performed after defibrillation. Please proceed at a speed of about 100 times per minute with both hands. The patient has regained consciousness. If the patient's condition does not improve, check the patient's condition and repeat